by priming my eyelids with the Double Duty Beauty Tarte Concealer, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this onto my eyelid. Then I'm gonna take a clean brush and I'm just gonna basically spread it all over. And as you can see, I'm concentrating mostly on the upper eyelid area because this is where we're gonna start applying our eyeshadows first. And now I'm going into the Juvia's palette and I'm going in with that orangey shade. It's more like a soft orange shade, and I'm just gonna concentrate it again on the upper eyelid area. And then next I'm going in with that shade called Jezebel, and I'm just gonna apply it right on top of that orange, but concentrating more towards the outer corner. And then next I'm gonna go in with a black eyeshadow and I'm gonna concentrate it more on the outer corner, just a little bit like so. And now basically just gonna blend. Now I'm blending it towards the lower part of the eyelid, and then I feel like I just need to soften that edge a little bit, so I'm just taking a clean brush. Just gonna soften that because it looks a little bit too harsh than my liking, and then pulling it towards the inner corner. And next I'm just taking a clean wipe and a Q-tip, and I'm just gonna wrap this around the Q-tip like so, and then I'm gonna cut my crease. And I'm just gonna cut it right across, just up to where the black eyeshadow has started, or up to where the black eyeshadow began. As you can see, I'm just cutting my crease right above my natural crease. Okay, right above it. And then next I'm going to grab the MAC concealer, and now I'm going in with the NW30 concealer using a smaller brush, and I'm just gonna start cutting my crease with the concealer now, up to that much right there. And now I'm pretty much happy with that. So next what we're gonna do is go in more like a neutral shade, and this one, it's more like a champagne, really a soft champagne shade, and I'm just gonna place this right on the inner corner. Then get another clean brush. Then I'm gonna go in with a brighter orange, and this we're gonna be placing it right where the champagne has ended, just like that, and touch it on the black. Next I'm gonna go back to that black, and I'm just gonna brush it in towards that orange, just so they can overlap a little bit. nice and fast to create our wing liner. So I'm just gonna go in with She Glam liquid eyeliner. Just pull it a little bit longer. And now I've got that out of the way. Next I'm gonna take some mascara and basically just gonna apply it on my lower lashes, on my upper lashes first. And then next I'm gonna put on the lashes, and then next I'm just grabbing some black gel liner and I'm gonna place this right on my lower lash line. And then next I'm gonna grab the mascara once more and I'm gonna apply it on the lower lashes. And then next, going into that second eyeshadow that we applied, I'm gonna put this right underneath that black eyeliner on the lower lash line, of course, right underneath that. The next, to prime our face, we're going to be going in with the Yardley London 3-in-1 makeup setting spray. The setting spray primes your face, it sets the makeup, and it refreshes the makeup, all 3-in-1. So I'm going to do this, I'm going to use this to prime my face. So, and it smells good too. So good. Then for the foundation, we're going to be going in with the Huda Beauty foundation, and this one is in a shade called Cinnamon. Move my hair out of the way. Okay. Don't forget underneath those eyes. Don't forget the neck area either. Going back in with the same concealer that we used to cut the crease. I'm just gonna apply this right underneath my eyes to highlight those areas that I need to stand out. And of course, to correct my wing liner, make it look nice and crisp. And right on the bridge of my nose, the hollows on my cheekbones, right there. Cupid's bow and my little chin. Using the same powder puff that we used to apply the foundation, I'm gonna start pressing in that concealer quickly and around, just like, and I'm slightly dragging it towards where my cheeks begin, which is right here, the apples on my cheeks. So I'm just dragging it towards the apples on my cheeks and stop, and going back again and stop. Right on the hollows of my cheek, I'm blending it downwards and stop. And the chin, just concentrating it on the center. Dragging it downwards as well. Then the bridge. Up and down, up and down. And then next, I'm just going to grab some powder. And I'm just gonna place this just like that, where we place the concealer. Do the same underneath my eyes, as well as the nose. The rest of the face, I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the powder, a little bit, and then I'm gonna just softly just brush, just softly. And now I'm just gonna quickly brush off that excess powder, remove it all off. Oh. Next, I'm going in with this cream blush and just putting a little drops on my cheekbone. It's more like a plum-ish shade. Just making sure I also touch a little bit of where that contour began, so it doesn't look too So next I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, and this one is called Amrezy. So gorgeous shade, right above that blush. On the Cupid's bow. I like to dab just a little bit on my nostril, right there. For the lips, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Soft Matte lip cream. A little bit of the black gel liner. Just like that. Then go ahead and set your makeup. And that's about it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this get ready with me date night type of like makeup tutorial. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share.